Yes, yes, yes. Hey guys, Gerald Peters here in my office. I get a lot of emails. I get tons of emails, DMs, and I keep meaning to print off some and go over some of them because, and I won't give out anybody's name, so don't fear anything like that. But I got this letter or email today, and it got me to think because I get a lot of emails like this, and it's word mixing. And I think when you start mixing concepts and words and ideas, what it does is it gets you off track of what your actual goal is. Now, pillar number 7 of the 10 pillars of success is focus your time and money. You can't focus your time and money when you're scattered and your goals are all over the place. So I got this letter, and I'm assuming it's from a young man. I could be wrong. I don't know his age. Hello, my name is Eminem. I want to thank you for your YouTube channel and your video on flipping stocks. I appreciate how straightforward you are on the stock information. You guys know I play with an open hand. You can look at my trades on the newsletter. All that shit's free. Here's my position, he says. I'm in the entertainment business, and I've been educating myself on how to trade with my own little funds. So we start off with that, little funds, for the past 6 months. So we've had 6 months of experience trading a little bit of money. Now, you notice he says educating myself on trading. Then he goes on to say, my parents taught us about investing at a very young age, but I am brand new as an adult actually trading. He just mixed these two words, trading and investing. Listen to me. Listen to me. These are absolutely not the same fucking thing. They are completely different things. You must remove these intermixing of these words. Well, people will say they're trading and then they're investing. Decide what the fuck you're doing. You're either trading or you're investing. Now, you may be investing in this account and trading in this account, or you may be investing in this stock or trading this stock, but you need to get real clear. Pillar number 7, focus your time and your money. So you're either trading this money or you're investing this money. And when you begin to separate it, guess what happens? Why? Why is this so important? Because there's different rules. When you buy a house to flip a house, you need to buy a house in a decent neighborhood that has a lot of room for potential, put in some nice things, nice stuff, much nicer than if you were going to rent the house. Being a landlord is a totally different business than being a house flipper, and yet we're both buying houses. Being a trader and being an investor, we're both buying stocks, but the way we buy them and the way we hold them and the way we take profits and the way we compound is completely different. Being a trader than an investor. If you fucking mix these, you will be shitty at both. You will be a shitty trader and you'll be a shitty investor. You need to put very clear distinctions and rules on which ones and become good and develop the skills that each one of these require, and they require different skill sets. So let's keep going here. So stop mixing words. Be very clear. This is an investment. This is a trade. This is whatever. Like, be very clear and distinct in your messaging because it goes to your subconscious mind. He says, they taught him, my goal is simple. I'm mainly holding a few stocks. Holding. Now, he just said he's learning to trade, and now he says he's holding stocks. That's not fucking trading, friend. Trading isn't holding stocks. Holding a few stocks, now he could just mean he just bought them and he's holding them. Trying to have a monthly income of $1,000 of steady cash flow. There's no fucking thing in the stock market called steady cash flow where you're going to hold a couple stocks with a little bit of money around fucking trading where you make steady money. None of anything this guy says makes any sense. It is all over the place on all aspects, from trading to investing to holding to flipping to it's everywhere. He will make nothing until he focuses his time and money, until he decides what it is he's trying to do. So he says he wants $1,000 of steady cash flow. That's my first milestone. My current position is around $300. I don't know what that $300 means. But in order for you to safely, every month, pull out $1,000 out of the stock market every single month safely, you're going to need about $300,000 invested. I can make $1,000 on one trade in my trading account. But that's not investing. It's two different games. I can also lose. Typically in investing, you don't lose. Your balance goes down, but you don't lose. In trading, you lose the money if you don't have skill set. So the idea that you're going to trade stocks and make consistent money is complete bullshit. And anyone teaching that is full of shit. So listen to what I'm saying. What's my time? Anyone teaching you, anyone, listen, anyone teaching on YouTube, Instagram, any other platform that you can consistently, like a job, make a certain amount of money trading stocks is completely full of shit, and you should not listen to them because they are lying to you. They can't tell you that. They don't know where the stock market is going. Now, they may have skills that have allowed them to develop to such a point that they consistently make returns. They can't transfer that to you. They don't know that you're going to be capable of learning it. They don't know your personal fucking weaknesses. They don't know that you're a degenerate gambler who can't follow the rules. They don't know you. They don't know you. They don't know what your traits are. They don't know. Maybe you're a better investor than you are trader. You see what I'm saying? So don't listen to people who try to take something that's inconsistent, like the market, it's up and down and all over the place, and somehow try to bring it to you as if it's consistent. It's not. Okay? So his comment of trying to make shit, he may make $10,000 one month and lose $2,000 the next. What was the average? That's how the market works. So, when we see where you get 9% on average, right, every year, you see that. What happened this year? It fell 35%, and then it ran up another 50-something%. Like, that's how the average happens. Same in trading. You'll have losing months, you'll have winning months, and if you have skills over time, if you focused your time and money and you've developed the proper skill set, you will consistently win. But it ain't going to be every fucking week like this guy talks about, like it's some sort of job that pays you money. He goes on to say, I want a steady monthly cash flow of $1,000. That's my first milestone. My current position is $300. Buffett was so correct in how he overstimulated the market. Oh, how overstimulated the market is. So I totally agree with getting quiet and just simply simplifying my market goals. I have no idea what that means. Warren Buffett doesn't know shit about where the market's going. It fell March lows. He didn't buy them. He's guessing like everyone else. Buffett makes his money being an investor, okay? So I don't know what any of that means. Again, he's talking about trading, and now he's bringing up Warren Buffett. Okay, that's the wrong person to be looking at if you're trying to trade, okay? If you're trying to invest, great person to look at. Again, focus your time and money. Are you trading? Are you investing? Pick one and fucking master it. How do you simply make $300 into $400? I just want consistency right now, not to double my money. See, so he's seeking consistency in a world that isn't consistent. The market is chaos, friends. It's chaos. It's fear and greed. And anyone teaching you, listen to what I'm saying, anyone that teaches you that they can show you some sort of form of consistency are completely full of shit, or they are lying to you to take your money. There is no consistency. The markets go up on greed. They come down on fear. All we can do as traders is spot patterns, position ourselves, and profit on the greed and try to avoid the fear or profit on the fear by shorting. That's all we can do. So the way we become consistent is by learning and getting all of the bullshit this guy just said out of your mind and learning what the difference between trading and the difference between investing and how you should respond as a trader and investor each and every day as you come into this chaotic, crazy ass world of the stock market. There's nothing consistent about it. I just want consistency right now, out the window, not to double my money. Well, I want to double my money, so I don't know what he's talking about. I want to hold more than one day trade. Duh. My focus is the entertainment industry because I know economically very well. This is all over the place. I love this guy. Hopefully he'll buy my book and I can help him. But you see how we went everything from I'm new to trading to I've been trading for 6 months. Oh, I want consistency. Oh, I want to double. Oh, we're talking about Warren Buffett and oh, the markets are rigged. This dude's all over the place, okay? So what you got to do is hone in. Hone in. If you're trading, what are the things that happen in trading? The difference in investing and trading. This is why I say you can't invest in Bitcoin. I know that's going to freak some of you out. You're going to pee your pants right now. You can't invest in Bitcoin. You can speculate in it, and you can feel free to do that all you want, but that's not an investment. An investment returns money consistently. You can analyze it, such as rent, right? You can invest in a house based on the potential of rent profit. You could start a business based on the potential of profits that come out of it, right? Trading is in the world of inconsistency. So to be a trader, we have to have one reason why we're buying, right? We have to have an entry that tells us when to buy. We have to have an exit that tells us when to take profits, right? So these are the answers to your questions, like when to take profits. And we need to know when we're wrong to get out. When you're investing, you're not going to have a stop loss, right? Because you're going to invest in things that are smart. I might make a trade in a 10-minute discussion. I might look at a chart, look at it, quickly analyze it, run it through my filters, make sure it's a valuable company, and make the trade because it's lined up. I'm not going to put $50,000 into a 10-minute thought. I'm going to go research. So investing involves you putting in more time and more study and understand what you're buying. You don't need a stop loss. If you did your due diligence well, when your investment goes down, you should be buying more, dummy, not selling. As a trader, you can't have your capital tied up in something going down like that. You got to get out or have a way of de-leveraging the trade, taking down the risk as it goes against you. Trading is about flipping stocks. Investing is about buying and holding stocks. Two different games, different skill sets. You can learn both, but when you're first learning, you better focus. Pillar number 7, focus your time and money.